In the ever-evolving world of video game development, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. With AI revolutionizing the industry, choosing the right tools can be a game changer. Today, we're counting down the top 5 AI tools every developer should have in their arsenal. Whether you're in the United States, Kosovo, or anywhere across the globe, this list is your ticket to leveling up your development skills. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Playtest Cloud. This tool is a must-have for developers seeking real-time feedback. By utilizing AI to analyze player interactions, Playtest Cloud helps you understand what works and what doesn't, enabling you to refine your game efficiently. Next up, at number 4, we have Model.ai. Ideal for those looking to simulate gameplay scenarios, Model.ai uses machine learning to test and refine game mechanics. Its capacity to mimic player behavior means you can predict and fix potential issues before your game hits the market. Taking the third spot is Promethean AI, a revolutionary tool that aids in creating immersive game worlds. By automating the generation of detailed environments, Promethean AI allows developers to focus on creativity rather than tedious detail work. Coming in at number 2 is Deep Motion. Known for its cutting-edge motion capture capabilities, Deep Motion uses AI to create realistic animations without the need for costly equipment. This tool empowers developers to bring characters to life, enhancing player engagement with dynamic, lifelike movements. And finally, the top spot goes to OpenAI's GPT-3. This powerhouse AI tool is transforming how developers create narratives within their games. With its ability to generate dialogue and storylines, GPT-3 opens up new dimensions of storytelling, providing players with richer, more engaging experiences. There you have it, top 5 AI tools that are reshaping video game development as we know it. By integrating these tools into your workflow, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're setting the pace. So which tool will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tips and insights.